So first we're setting up the outside frame for the fireplace. We want our total height to be 24 inches. We're gonna use 23 inches here, and then we're gonna have a 1-inch mantel up on top. So we cut these 2x4s to 23 inches vertical, and then we're gonna build out the frame from here. Next, we're gonna cut the 9-inch pieces to help out frame out the frame. So we have our frames built out here. Our fireplace is only gonna sit 3 inches above the ground, so we laid 2 2x4s, which are actually just 1.5 inches on the bottom, and that's gonna serve as a platform for the fireplace to sit. We were able to screw those into this extra plank and that plank into the frame to keep it sturdy. Next, on the inside, we measured out the distance of where the fireplace is going to go, and then the fireplace is going to screw into this vertical board. So we put one piece down here that could be nailed into this vertical board. We did the same thing on that side. You'll notice the difference in distance here. From here is because we're centering it with our television, which is above, not centering the fireplace with the unit. And then the very back, we added one more horizontal long piece because we're gonna have a mantel that sits right on top. In order to add that extra piece, we added one more block, drilled that into this board so that this could go directly into there and be supported. So next we found a stud and put a screw in that piece of wood to help secure this so that it's not gonna go anywhere. And then we're gonna do shiplap on the side here, starting from the bottom, and we'll just work our way up and use a brad nailer to put brads in all the way up there, and we'll do the same in the front. Then on this side, we did the same thing, all the way up with a shiplap. We extended a little bit on this side to go all the way up against the wall, and then just use the brad nailer all the way up. We did 23 inches from top to bottom, and it just so happened that 4 of these planks fit perfectly up against it. We then popped in the insert, placed a mantel on top, and we're done.